Hello, today's topic is subject-verb agreement. The agreement of a verb with its subject is a fundamental rule in grammar that ensures that the verb in a sentence matches the number and person of the subject. A verb must agree with its subject in number and person. A singular subject requires a singular form of the verb, while a plural subject requires a plural form of the verb. Let us understand through some examples how the subject agrees with the verb. The first rule is two or more singular subjects joined by and take a plural verb. Sita and her sister are identical twins. Rani and Deepthi were present. She and I are great friends. Here, there are two subjects and they are joined by the conjunction and. There are two exceptions to this rule. When two singular subjects refer to the same person or thing, the verb is in the singular. For example, my friend and guide has come. The poet and philanthropist is coming for the function. So here, the poet and the philanthropist both refers to the same person. The poet and the philanthropist are coming for the function. In the second example, it refers to two different persons. If the article is used only once, the two nouns refer to the same person and the verb is in the singular. But if the article is mentioned twice, then two distinct persons are intended and therefore the verb in this case must be in the plural. So that's the difference between the two examples. Then the second exceptional rule is when two subjects represents one idea, the verb is in the singular. Roti and curry is my favorite dish. Time and tide waits for none. So it refers to one single idea. So it takes the singular verb. The next rule is if two singular nouns joined by and are preceded by each or every, the verb is in the singular. Every man and woman works for the good of the institution. Each boy and girl makes a separate report. The next rule is when two or more singular subjects are connected by or, but, neither, nor, either, or, then a singular verb is required. Johan or Tipu is to be elected president. So there are two singular subjects and it is connected by or. Neither Swapna nor Shanti has a chance. Not only his wife, but even his father finds him selfish. Now there are two things to be noted down. When the subjects connected by or, nor, or of different numbers, the verb should be plural and the plural subject should be placed near the verb. Neither Akash nor his doctors were there. Yash or his brothers are to be blamed. In the next one, when the subjects joined by or, nor, or of different persons, the verb agrees with the one nearest to it. Either you are correct or he is. Neither my friend is sorry, nor am I. So I hope this would do a better understanding. The first note 1 and note 2, how it differs with the use of singular and the plural verb. The next rule is mathematical computation may take either a singular or a plural verb. 3 times 2 is 6. 5 and 5 are 10. The next is a singular subject followed by as well as, in addition to, including, no less than, with, together with, or a similar construction requires a singular verb. The husband as well as the son needs advice. The team leader, together with his subordinates, was praised. The farm, in addition to the house, was sold. The next rule is a singular subject followed by a plural modifier requires a singular verb. One of the boys looks sick. So generally, we commit errors with the usage of verb in such cases. A list of the names of selected students for the match is available. Then with the indefinite pronouns like anybody, anyone, each, either, everybody, neither, nobody, no one, somebody, many, generally they take a singular verb. Look at the examples. Each of them has a merit scholarship. Nobody denies the fact. Anybody who lies is dishonest. Then the next rule is when the subject is a relative pronoun, the verb agrees with the antecedent of that pronoun. For example, she is one of the women who acts as advisors. This is one of those subjects which have many solutions. The next rule is with the collective noun. The collective noun takes a singular verb when the class it names is considered as a unit, that is a whole unit. Then a plural verb when the members of the class are considered individually. See here in the example, the word which I have used, committee, it even functions as both singular and plural. The committee holds an annual general body meeting. Here, this is a singular one, a singular noun. We are considering the committee as a whole. In the second example, the committee have never been able to agree on a single issue. So it's a plural one. Here we are taking it into different things. The next one is plural numbers take a singular verb when they are used in a phrase to indicate a sum or a unit. 10 lakhs of rupees is a huge sum. 20% is good interest. The last rule is certain nouns which are plural in form but singular in meaning generally take a singular verb. No news is good news. So maybe it seems to be a plural in form, news, but it takes the singular verb. Linguistics is a difficult subject. So there is always a tendency among the students to make the verb agree with a noun which is near to it. And we have to be very careful while using the verb. Ensuring proper subject-verb agreement is essential for maintaining clarity and grammatical correctness in writing and speaking. Meet you soon with the next topic. Thank you.